Cheesy Chaz. Sorry for the long wait, man. It's right at 4:15. I'm gonna try one of these unopened. 1, 2, or 4. First roll, number 1. Oh, Cheesy Chaz is here. 2014 unopened, number 1. Make sure I have this right. Leave best of unopened. Yeah. $19.85. Oh wait, 86. 1986 Pete Rose Topps certified PSA DNA autograph. Four autograph draft picks. Leave best of. This is the best of draft picks. Oh, see you later, JPR. Joey, have a good night. Those last two unopens were light. I don't know what that means. Supreme or something? Tier 1. They felt super light. Draft picks. And base. Base. Here's your first color, Hunter Dozier. Numbered to only 75, Cameron Perkins. Blue refractor autograph, or blue prism rather. You get inserts and stuff in this. Rookies, prospects. Draft class, just base. Rider of the Storm Jones. Prism. Nick, it says gold. Nick Williams, but it's not gold. I don't think. No. Nick Williams prism. Eugenio Suarez. Luis Torrens. Red. Just base. Brady Rogers. Another one of those gold Stewarts. Ian Parkin. Number 2 a Hunter. Number 2 a Hunter. Number 2 100 on this one, Hunter Dozier. The red version. Aaron Blair. Not numbered on that one. Cord Sandberg. Should have one more autograph here. Cheesy Chaz. Preston Beck. And it should be in here. Number 2 100, Michael O'Neill red. Cool thing about all these cards, every one are on card, no stickers. Michael O'Neill. Alright. You have your stack of color and prisms right there. And then you have a Pete Rose certified PSA DNA autograph, 1986 Topps. And then we have Michael O'Neill, Aaron Blair, Hunter Dozier, and Cameron Perkins. And that will officially do it. Cheesy Chaz. I'll get on the way, bud.